Hello and welcome to today's Teacher Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be working with markers and figuring out a way to keep them all together and making sure none of them disappear, as we all know that they do. So what you need for this project is a pack of markers, some duct tape, whatever kind of duct tape you want. You can even use pattern duct tape if you want to. And you don't really need scissors, but I like to have nice crisp edges, so if you do too, then grab a pair of scissors. So the first thing you need to do is dump all your markers out and then arrange them however you want to. Now I like to have my markers in rainbow order, but if you are not like me and want to mix them all up, that is totally up to you. All right, and then what you're going to do is make sure that your markers are all level. And you can use this just by eyeballing it or using a piece of paper, whatever you want to do. All right, now that they're all level, I'm going to take my duct tape and I'm going to pull it all the way across my markers, about there. I'm going to go over a little bit so you have some extra on the sides. And then what you're going to do is you're going to place it right over top. And I like to leave just a little bit of marker, and I'll show you what I mean. A little bit of marker lid, just so they see what color. And I know it's on the bottom too, but all right, we'll do that side. I'll pick it up real quick and show you what I mean. So right there, you see how there's a little bit of marker lid poking out there? That's what I mean by that. Then you're gonna press it down. So there's no stickies left. And then you're going to flip the whole thing over, looks like that. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I like using duct tape because duct tape has so many different patterns that you can make this match your classroom theme. So like if you have rainbows or unicorns or have a color theme, then these packs will be perfect because duct tape has all sorts of different ones that you can choose from. You're going to do the same thing on the other side and mash it down just like that. All right, and then they are all stuck together and there's no coming out of it. They are all in there. So now when your kiddos want to draw, they can just take whatever color they want to. It just gives them the marker. They can draw their picture and then they put it right back in there and then the pink stays with the rest of the pack. Isn't that awesome? And they can use a different color. Like that. And it's perfect. Now you're probably wondering, well, what do we do when markers dry out? Because we all know that the kiddos love markers and they use them all the time. The best thing about this is that you can just take the marker that is washed out, let's say green's washed out, it's all done, it needs another one. You just take this, chuck it, leave the cap in there, take your new green replacement and plug it in. And since the caps are universal for all of the markers, there's no need to keep this cap. This cap that's from the new green marker, just throw it away. And you're not wasting a cap because you would have thrown the other one away too. So hopefully this is helpful for you if you use markers in your classroom. And if you don't, then this might encourage you to do so because they're all put together and amazing. So this is a tip from Mrs. Schwinn and I hope it helps you out. Happy Tuesday.